So we're in the circle unit now, and that is going to mean that we have a lot of different vocabulary words that we have to do, a lot of different formulas and things. So one of the most important things to start off with is that we know what the different parts are called, because there's lots of different things that go on in the circle. So right here you can see all kinds of different lines that are kind of different places, and we're going to go through and talk about what each one means. And it's really important that you know which line has which name, because the actual equations and things we have to figure out are going to require us to know this. So we're going to walk through everything. I'm going to highlight this stuff, and we just want to be used to recognizing it. So first thing is a radius, and I'm thinking that hopefully we know what a radius is. So if I go up here in my picture, I'm going to highlight a radius in yellow. There's actually 3 of them. All right, there's that one right there, and then there's this one. I'm going to put some dots, and there's that one. So there's 3 radii. The plural of radius is radii. And it has one endpoint. So one endpoint on the circle and one endpoint at the center. Okay, so radius, the most important segment, because all radii, any radius, is the same as any other radius. Okay, and then this we used in previous units, I'm sure, at some point. The radius is half the diameter. So that's a radius. A diameter. All right, so the diameter is a segment that has both endpoints on the circle, and it has to go through the center. In this picture, there's only one diameter. The diameter would go from there all the way over to there. All right, so there's only one diameter from A to F. Since the diameter is the longest chord in the circle, we're going to talk about this in a minute. So it's the longest chord in a circle. It's got to go through the center. All right, and any diameter is 2 times whatever the radius is. So there's those 2 names right there. Work your way down through these videos, and it's, again, imperative that we know what the difference is between all of these things, all these names in circles, or we're going to have trouble with everything else for the entire unit.